Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. Here, your teacher, Satvir, from Kerala Public School, Kamharia. You know, kids, today we are going to do exercise related to E sound. Okay? Kids, first draw the side margin. Okay? At the top you have to draw the double margin. Left hand side you have to write the date, and on your right hand side you have to write C.W, that is class work. Okay, and now let's see the topic. Fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L, fill. I-N in. T-H-E, the. B-L-A-N-K-S, blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. On your left hand side you can see some objects are given, and on your right hand side you can see that some blanks are given which you have to fill and make a perfect word. Okay. So let's see what is this. This is a pen. So for in pen. So what we will write? I. Okay. What is this? Yes, this is a well. L. Well. What picture is this? The boy is standing who is wet. Okay? At. Wet. Okay? What picture is this? Pen. N. Pen. Okay? What picture is this? Red. Ed. Red. Okay? So kids, as I have done, you also have to do, okay, like that only in your school English notebook. Till then, thank you. Stay safe at your home. Bye.